Hi, my name is Andrew and I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of your Google Apps. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own rules, or what we call filters, inside Gmail. So in Microsoft Outlook, you would have had rules set up, so emails from a particular person or group of people, or emails that include a particular type of text, get moved into a particular section in your mailbox, normally within a folder. In Gmail, we can do exactly the same thing. We just call them filters. Now what you'll find is that to create a filter, it starts off with a search. So you must really understand search. If you haven't already, please go and check out our search tutorial. Now inside this box here, this is where the search actually begins. So if I want to refine my results, I can click onto this button here, and then I can go through and enter my criteria. So let's say I'm looking for all emails from Training Room 50. I can go inside here and type in Training Room 50, select that particular person's email address, and then choose Create Filter with this search. Of course, I don't always have to use from, I can use other options too, and I'll talk you through those in a second. If I click on Create Filter with this search, it will go in then and run that search in the background for me, so I can click out of that and double check that it's found the expected results. I can now click on this button again to jump back into it and have a look at what it wants me to choose. So this is the Actions pane. If I want it to behave exactly like it did inside Outlook, which is take an email out of my inbox and move it into a label on my left hand side, then I need to choose this option here which says skip the inbox, and notice in brackets we call it archiving. And I also want to apply the label, and I can either create a brand new label from inside here, which I'll do for this exercise, and click Create. So now I've created a brand new label called Gmail Training. I've got a plethora of other options available to me, and I can also apply this filter to the 6 matching conversations, or to the number of conversations it's found in the background. Once I'm happy to create the filter, I click on Create Filter, and it goes ahead and creates that filter for me. You can now see that Gmail Training is sitting over here in my left hand side sidebar. I can do more though. What happens if it's emails from multiple people? Well, that's okay too. I can type in Training Room 46 for this example. And I can also include the word "or" in capitals. By typing "or" in capitals, it sends a command to Gmail to say, I'm looking for emails from this or this particular search criteria. So in my case, I'm going to say Training Room 50 at morrisonsplc.co.uk. When I click Create Filter with a search, it will go and find all emails from those people. But I've noticed it's picked up and it's detected some instant message or hangout chats that I've got, and I don't particularly want those to be included. So I can click on back to my search options here, and then I can say don't include chats, and then try that again. This time you can see I get a more succinct and accurate list of emails that I'm looking for, so emails from Training Room 46 or Training Room 50 are now inside here. Now I can go into my Actions pane and choose my desired actions. So what happens if you're looking for emails that includes the words? Well, that's okay too. We actually have a section called Includes the Words. So some of us have emails that either have a particular subject prefix, and they are generally system reports, or we have emails that have particular terminology like visitor, permit, guest. So for my example, I'm going to say it includes the words party or important. By adding this inside here, I can now click on Create Filter with a search, so it's going to look for anywhere where the terminology party or important is mentioned. And it's going to find all of those emails, and again I can click into the background here to see what it's come up with, and those are my expected results. All of these emails will have either important or party mentioned in them, and then I can choose to apply a star, I can choose to apply a label, and I can even choose to delete it. The choice is truly mine. If I tick the tick box to apply this to the matching conversations in the background and then click on Create Filter, it will go ahead and create that filter for me. So you can really see that whatever you can search for, you can create a filter for. I'm now going to show you where you go to edit your filters and or delete them. If you take your cursor and click onto the Settings cog on the far right hand side, followed by clicking on the word Settings, it will take you into the Settings panel. What we're looking for is the section called Filters and Blocked Addresses. Now that I've clicked on it, you can see the 3 filters that I created earlier on are listed inside here. And what's quite handy, I can now just simply click on the edit button to edit the filter if I've created it incorrectly, or maybe if I want to adjust it in any which way, shape or form. If I want to delete a particular filter, I've got the delete button available to me, and if I want to delete them all, I can select all from here to select all 3 and then choose delete to remove them all. Within seconds they are all deleted. By using filters, it can help to activate mailbox automation and get things moving around your mailbox and get things labeled and tagged appropriately as and when you require it. It should hopefully make you more productive and more efficient in your Gmail mailbox. Thanks for watching and bye for now.